The price of XRP has touched $1.83. In the past 24 hours, XRP has gained 34.72%. With a live market cap of $83,186,631,325, CoinMarketCap currently ranks number 4. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be showing you 5 reasons why Ripple will replace Bitcoin in 2021. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's dive in. If Bitcoin is a digital currency that can be used to pay for products and services, Ripple is a currency exchange and remittance system designed for banks and payment networks. The goal is to create a system for direct transfer of assets such as money, gold, and other valuables that settles in near real time and is a cheaper, more transparent, and safer alternative to bank-based transfer systems like the SWIFT payment system. Before we get into the meat of the matter, it's important to understand the fundamentals of XRP and Ripple, what you need to know about Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin is the first and original cryptocurrency, having been founded in 2009. It was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, an anonymous developer who wanted to build a modern global payment system that would enable people to send and receive money via peer-to-peer transactions. The Bitcoin system is decentralized because it is not regulated by a single individual or authority, nor is it controlled by any central bank, government, or nation-state. Rather, transactions are checked by the participating Bitcoin group known as miners, thanks to its peer-to-peer process. Bitcoin, also known as BTC, has a limited supply of 21 million coins. The estimated circulating stock stands at 17.1 million, with more being added every day. However, no more than 21 million Bitcoins will ever be mined. In the year 2140, the number is predicted to be reached. Guys, here are some things that you should know about XRP. Ripple was launched 3 years after Bitcoin in 2012. It was created by a company based in the United States called Ripple Labs. Ripple's goal was to establish a payment system that banks could use to send money both domestically and globally. Despite the fact that Ripple's currency, the XRP coin, is aimed at the financial services sector, anyone can buy and sell it. The Ripple blockchain, like Bitcoin, does not require third parties to validate and check transactions, allowing people to send and receive funds directly between themselves. A total supply of 100 billion XRP coins will be available, with an existing circulating supply of about 60 billion. Here are some of the reasons why we believe Ripple would eventually surpass Bitcoin, but you might already be aware of all these points because they are not recent. Number 5. Transactional speed. When it comes to Bitcoin, it takes about 10 minutes for a transaction to be validated on the Bitcoin blockchain. This is true regardless of the sender's and receiver's locations. When sending XRP from one wallet to another, however, Ripple outperforms Bitcoin. The confirmation of the transaction takes just a few seconds. When it comes to transaction speed, Ripple is a much better alternative to Bitcoin. Number 4. Transaction fees. When Bitcoin was first launched, transaction fees were extremely low. The transaction would only cost a fraction of a cent to process, making Bitcoin perfect as a global payment mechanism. However, as the system grew in popularity, the amount that users were required to pay grew significantly. Transaction fees were as high as $40 during its busiest time in late 2017, which isn't sustainable for micropayments to say the least. Ripple is virtually fee-free when it comes to transaction costs, and the standing cost of making a transfer is just 0.001 XRP. In real-world terms, even though XRP hit an all-time high of $3.29 on January 4, 2018, this would have amounted to a transaction fee of just 0.00329 cents. This means you can submit over 30,000 transactions before having to pay a single transaction fee. Number 3. Circulations and mining. Bitcoin is based on a proof-of-work scheme, with mining for new BTC tokens serving as an important part of the verification process. Although all XRP tokens are pre-mined for this purpose, XRP mining is not the same as Bitcoin mining, and the crypto coin release process for both BTC and XRP is different. Although Bitcoins are released and added to the network when they're discovered by miners, the release of XRP is controlled by a smart contract. The total supply of BTC is nearly 21 million crypto coins, while the total supply of XRP is 100 billion pre-mined crypto coins. Number 2. Transaction validation. Instead of using the blockchain mining concept, the Ripple network validates transactions using a special distributed consensus mechanism through a network of servers. These servers, or nodes on the network, decide on the legitimacy and credibility of a transaction by conducting a vote. This allows for near-instant confirmations without the need for central authority, allowing XRP to remain decentralized while still being quicker and more accurate than many of its competitors. While the Bitcoin network is criticized for using a lot of energy due to its mining operation, the Ripple system uses very little energy due to its mining-free process. These 4 points have now identified which coin has the most promising future. A built-in smart contract will allow Ripple to release a maximum of 1 billion XRP tokens per month. Over 50 billion coins are currently in circulation. Any XRP that is not used in a given month will be returned to an escrow account. This system means that there will be no abuse due to an oversupply of XRP crypto coins, and that the crypto coins will not be usable for several years. Other cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, do not have this level of protection for their users. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that each Bitcoin transaction absorbs the energy equivalent of 75 gallons of gasoline. The businessman criticized the environmental aspect of cryptocurrency mining during his discussion with the publication. According to him, Bitcoin as a payment system is nearly the least efficient payment mechanism that mankind has ever made, because as the price of Bitcoin rises, so does the amount of energy consumed and the amount of carbon emitted. We don't think we should lose sight of the fact that one Bitcoin transaction is roughly equal to 75 gallons of gasoline burned. As a result of Brad Garlinghouse's argument, Bitcoin is detrimental to the environment, and its transactions are more expensive than XRP. This is because the process of validating transactions, protecting the network, and eventually making new coins consumes a lot of energy, raising questions about the asset's carbon footprint. Big names like Bill Gates and Janet Yellen spoke about this subject before Brad Garlinghouse. Number 1. XRP, the Future Global Payment System World Economic Forum. The founder of the World Economic Forum, Klaus Schwab, claimed that XRP would be the global payment currency and that Ripple would be a partner in the Great Reset. The Reset's goal is to help the planet recover from the economic damage caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Another explanation why WEF prefers XRP over other cryptocurrencies as the number 1 Bitcoin is that one Bitcoin transaction is equal to burning 75 gallons of fuel, which is extremely harmful to the environment. The planet is seeing the ozone layer depletion every day at this moment. A Bitcoin transaction is proving to be a danger, but the World Economic Forum, WEF, wants to create a climate-neutral world. And for this, XRP with its quick, cheaper, and environmentally friendly transactions would be preferred. Although individuals and organizations are increasingly using Bitcoin as a virtual currency, banks prefer the Ripple scheme. RippleNet is a group of more than 200 financial institutions from more than 40 countries that work together to make cross-border payments as simple as possible. Financial institutions are continuing to use the Ripple network, putting it ahead of their rivals in the digital currency market. Because of its faster processing time and lower transaction fees, the Ripple system outperforms the Bitcoin network. It enables financial institutions to accept digital currency in a more straightforward manner. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is more widely used. However, we know that things are changing as a result of the litigation and the massive reorganization. People are learning about XRP as well. As a result, we can assume that XRP will achieve the same level of fame as Bitcoin. According to experts, XRP only needs to grow to about $6 per coin to overtake Bitcoin as the most valuable cryptocurrency. In anticipation of the SEC lawsuit's recent hearing, XRP hit a 3-year high of $1. That's fantastic news for XRP investors, and now all we have to do is hope that the cryptocurrency's ability propels it to that stage. So, you be the judge now, and tell us, what do you think of the arguments presented to you? Will XRP take its rightful place and dethrone Bitcoin? Do let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.